it's Lee here from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing, and today it's very icy, but I'm going to go to a little bit of a river, and I'm going to rescue a iron spike that I've seen in the water. So I'm going to go and remove that obstruction, make the environment a bit cleaner. So this is some of the ice that you can see. It is quite slippery. So I've just got that spike out there. Glad that's out. And on another cast I've just got this cycle. So we're going to get that out as well. Go from there. So there's the bike, it's out, girl's bike, a Venus bike. So it's not been in terribly long, maybe a couple of weeks, but glad it's out the water. 5 gear 10 speed Venus Emmanuel bike. This is the spike that I've seen in the water. Nicely removed, safe. Also going to scrap. Hello, it's Lee here from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing, and today I'm going to be bringing you an adventure in South Yorkshire in England. I forgot my hat, but never mind. And today I'm going to be fishing a very high river. So I'm just getting set up and tied off, and I'll get back to you shortly. So good morning, good afternoon and good evening everybody, hope you're okay. It's Lee from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing. New location, so I don't know what I'm going to find, but I'll show you as we go along. First cast, just got this big bar. So where I am, I've got a high railing in front of me and a bit of a low wall, but that's a good thing because today we've got a very high river flow from all the snow melt, and I am clipped off as well. This particular camera stand I've got is broken, so I'm doing the best as I can to film. It does feel like there's quite a bit in the water when the magnet's dragging across. And on that one, got this looped peg thing. No idea what it is, but that's going to be reused as a portable tie-off tether for canal fishing. Lots of sludge, oily residues and scraps, and a nail. And on that one, I've got some bonus plastics and this clamp with a latch on it. It's quite interesting. More plastics, and on this one just bits of twisted pipe and a clamp of some sort with a bit of brass on it, a nail and a bit more pipe. I've just seen a crane bird swimming down the river. It's like a stork, or a heron, and always nice to see them. So where I'm fishing, I'm quite near a very low bridge, as you can see. So I've got to make sure that I'm careful when I come in to show you what there is, that I don't hit my head on this ironwork here. It is a road bridge, so it is quite a noisy area. Oh, I've got something heavy here. Oh yeah. So, large piece of pipe. Got a spoke. As you see, a lot's come in on this one. Bit of a pipe, and then we've got a, I don't know what it is, it's just really interesting. So we've got this piece, and it's beveled, square plate, and then there's some big round fitting on the back. Pretty cool. So that could go back for cleaning as well. That's come straight out of the silt levels, so very happy. And on that one, just a bit of rebar, threaded rebar of some sort. And on this one, got a bit of twine attached to a bit of a pole, and a ball bearing holder. Massive ding ding, shout out to Sonic Adventures, to Sonic, and a nail. So I've just found at the side of the embankment what I'm on, there's an old pipe that is sticking out of the wall, currently stuck. Wow. Whew. Got my magnet back, and as a bonus, got a 4-way pipe junction. Ow. I am affiliated to Kratos Magnetics in USA, and I'll be putting a discount code on there for 12% off all products. They are very good magnets. There is shipping and import duties, but they're worth it, and highly recommended by a lot of people. Shout out to Welsh Adventures and more, because they use the same products. Kratos, Team Kratos. So on this one, couple of bits, got a nail, and we've got this encrusted bar with bits of furnace waste on, and a hook of some sort. And on this one, got plate metal, another piece, and this piece. No idea what that is. Cast iron. So that will be going back for cleaning. Solid metal. Interesting item. And on this cast, we just got a bit of a spike. Part of an old hacksaw blade or saw blade. Interesting again. Bit of wire, and this thing, bit of a pipe connector full of oily sludge. You can just see the iridescence there. There's the sludge. Oh, finally got it. I have just checked my magnet again. So I'm going to fish this side of the bridge a bit. Just don't want to keep bending and potentially hitting my head on this. Interesting on this one. So we've got some bonus plastics, and we've just got this large disc, iron disc, and on that, as you can see, there's copper wire insulators and brass nuts. So probably part of an old telegraph system. And a bit of wire mesh netting, scrap metal. Just magnetic rock on that one. Couple of bars. Oy. So when you get these bars, just be careful not to actually crack your fingers, as I've done a number of times. It hurts. Some wire, and this is quite an interesting piece. It's the old fitting from a lamp, an industrial lamp, and there inside it is where the bulb would have been, just there. Nice hook on that. That will go back for reuse on that. And on this one, a very large industrial hexagonal bolt. That's from a bridge, and just a piece of magnetic scrap. And a bolt with some cloth on it. Large industrial clamp, so with bolts inside it. Magnetic rock, shard of metal, and just some scraps. And there's just metal everywhere. Makes a nice location. So on this one, we've got a bit of metal plate walkway. We've got a nail. Another nail. Bit of a saw blade, just there, with a mushroom bolt attached to it. So always happy to have them. Magnetic rock. So lightweight bit of steel framework bar. Part of an old industrial battery, iron framed lead inside it. Just a spike would be an encased nail. So I've just had a couple more casts, and I've just got this thing, bracket, with a copper pin on it or brass pin. This linkage, not sure what that is. It could be the screen of a visor from an old vehicle. Got this big ring drain pipe fragment, a bracket, this blue lever. There we go. Don't know what it is, but it's going to again be taken and repurposed. So I've just had a few more casts, and I got this box with a brass pin through it and a twist to open bottle cap. That's it really. So I'm quite tired. My bag's half full. Scrap's been removed. I will show you that in a moment. Yeah, river levels are rising, and I just feel it's safer to actually leave and come back another day when the river levels are getting lower again after all the water's passed through the river from the snow melts and the rain. So I'll just show you the area. So area's nice and clean, just where I've been, just there. Oh, I have just seen a bit of litter. I'll take that. So area's nice and clean. Scraps are removed just as it should be. So as you can see, there's a lot of water flowing over the weir, and that is exactly why the river level is increasing. So I made the right call to leave. Treasure Island, that's starting to sink as well. Water's very fast, very high, and as we come to the side, you can see it's well over the wall, and it's starting to go over the side of the trout run as well, salmon run. So this here is normally where a wall is, and that's now underwater, and that's part of the external embankment. So that's it. I'm beat here now, so gonna call it a day. Hope you've enjoyed this adventure. So this is Lee, Magnetic North, Magnet Fishing, and till next time, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I will look forward to reading your comments very soon. Thanks again. Bye for now.